Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane. So if you can't tell by the thumbnail already, that is heavily unedited, unlike the other one. Somebody apparently sent me the Fortnite DarkFire Bundle by mail, and it had my name on it, so I assume it must be for me. Still not sure who sent it, but interesting enough, I guess, and thank you. So I just wanted to make sure that I had enough time to do a pretty decent review at least before making a video, which is why the one yesterday was so short. Plus, I want to thank Matthew28YT for being the only one to actually guess what it might be. He did say V-Bucks, and honestly, he wasn't that far off, so... Okay, so we have the download code with no disc included. It's wrapped with plastic, so I know it's not opened. So internet is required. Smells like cardboard. I mean, just look at the shine on this thing. It's enough to give any gamer a nerdgasm. Don't quote me on that ever. Okay, so I'm gonna read off the top of the back here. Embrace your dark side. Heat up the battle and slip into the shadows with the Fortnite DarkFire Bundle, featuring 13 items. So I knew this was a really cool bundle. I didn't think it had 13 though. I think that's even really impressive. So the Darkfire Bundle includes legendary outfits and back blings, Dark Paracord, Dark Six Strings, Molten Omen, Molten Battle Shroud, Shadow Arc Wings, plus 3 epic wraps, 3 rare dual wielding pickaxes, and a new emote. From what I've seen in the reviews, I never actually saw what the emote was. So Battle, Build, Create, Battle Royale is completely free 100 PvP player mode in Fortnite. I would sure hope so. That is what it is advertised as. So the bundle content delivered via redemption code requires free Fortnite Battle Royale download. Weapons not included with wraps. Dang nabbit, I thought I was gonna get 3 golden scars when I opened the case. Content does not transfer to Save the World, and full details at fortnite.com/darkfire. Okay, so let's bust this out of the packaging here. That was nice. Okay, so we have a white front, and the back is the same as the back on the other one. Okay, let's open this thing up. It actually feels like receiving an entire video game, even if it's just the download code. I think the cardboard case with the rainbow effect on is really cool, even if it's just like a keepsake or something. Okay, moment of truth. Wow, that's really straightforward. Wait, guys. This is literally all that's in this case. I love that they have the disc on here, even though there is no disc. So you can use this as a storage case for games. Okay guys, are you ready for the moment of truth? This expires in 10/28/2029. They give you a full 10 years to redeem this since it came out, so that's really nice. So to redeem your code, create a Sony Entertainment Network, select the store icon. In the Play Store, select redeem codes, enter the code, select downloads, and continue to complete redemption on PS4. DLC is only available to legal US residents. Oh man, are they gonna take away my green card? It's just a prank, bro. Okay. Yep, voucher code is good on one qualifying account. Seems legit. For assistance, visit playstation.com/helpme. Use of PlayStation Network is subject to the terms. A lot of trademarking stuff. Okay guys, here it is. And no, I'm not a dank meme. Of course I'm gonna use it before I post the video, but I'm showing you that it's legit anyway. So obviously guys, I'm going to get it in-game and I'm going to try it out. So don't bother wasting your time using this code, even though it is in reverse, because cameras are memes. So again, I'm going to use it. Don't bother wasting your time. But I don't know that I'm actually even going to do a video of me just having it in game, because there's already plenty of review videos, but I want to thank whoever sent this, and I'm interested to know how you guys feel about this, so you can tell me anything you want in the comments, and thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.